Alright guys, so some of you guys having a little bit of trouble remembering this stuff. That's okay. Let me help you guys out. Let me refresh your memory, okay? So remember guys, Pythagorean Theorem guys, all you gotta do is remember the main one is C. This guy right here. And how do you know which is C? Because this thing is always gonna point to it, okay? So the most important one is C. A and B doesn't matter. Remember, A and B can switch them, but you can't switch C, alright? And then remember the Pythagorean Theorem as well. So Pythagorean Theorem, they're going to give you the formula. But for some reason, you guys have a tendency to put a times. Make sure you put a plus. It's always a plus, okay? I don't know why you guys put times, but that's okay. So let me give you guys an example. Check this one out right here. Okay, so example 1. So again, the most important one is to find out what your C is. But in this case, I don't know what C is. I have no idea. So we're going to start off by identifying my values, okay? I'm going to identify your A, B, and C. So A equals, B equals, C equals. So again, C is I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put an X. And then A and B can be whatever you want. Let's just follow the pattern, right? Let A be 8. And then B has to be what? 13, right? There we go. Okay, so remember, those two don't matter. You can switch these two. But just for the sake of the problem, let's keep everything organized, right? All right. So once you're done with that, now we're going to go ahead and follow the formula. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But instead of writing the letters, I'm going to write these numbers down. Okay, so instead of writing a squared, I'm going to replace it with a. Instead of writing b squared, I'm going to replace it with 13 squared. And instead of writing c squared, I'm going to replace it with x squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and do 8 squared plus 13 squared equals x squared. Okay, so there you go. Now from there, there's two ways you can do it, okay? So one way is to use a TI Inspire, which is what we've been working with. And on that one, of course, you got to press menu 31, right? Once you put that value inside the calculator, you're going to go ahead and get something that says solver. You're going to go ahead and plug it in. 8 squared plus 13 squared equals x squared. And again, since we're messing with x, don't forget the comma. Right? Comma x. And then there you go, guys. So all you got to do is put that in calculator. Out pops up an answer, okay? Now the other way, guys, would be Google, right? I'll show you guys how to do that one. So go ahead and look at that video, and it'll show you how to do that part. So hope this helps you guys out. And let me show you an example too in a little bit.